Hi, it's Alex here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can go about getting the top credit card sign-up bonuses in September 2021. There are so many different cards out there, but these 5 top credit cards are by far the best for their generous offers. Some cards have a very large welcome bonus offer that's easy to get, and some have obscure offers that could actually take a lot of time to achieve. In any case, keep watching till the end to see what can you expect from the top cards on the market today. If you are new here in this channel, you'll find answers about credit cards, saving money, growing your income, and saving for retirement. So without further ado, let's get started. So there are several reward credit cards that offer sign-up bonuses. To earn these bonuses, you have to meet certain conditions. The first thing you need to do is to get approved for a new credit card and then meet a minimum spending requirement within the first few months of opening the new account. However, the best credit cards offered are usually worth it, and that's especially true for bonuses worth more than $500. You should review the fine print and rules of any new offer before signing up to ensure you can meet the spending threshold within the deadline. My goal was to make choosing the right credit card easier by gathering a list of the best reward credit cards on major issuer sites. With these cards, you can earn more value, including rewards, costs of ownership, and benefits like travel and purchase protections, lounge memberships, and companion passes, so they are recommended based on the additional value you can earn from them. Number 1. Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. Now, the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card doesn't need any special introduction. With its flexible miles redemption options, it's one of the best travel credit cards on the market today. Chase recently increased the sign-up bonus to the highest level it has ever been, making the card one of the most valuable out there. You will earn 100,000 bonus points after you spend $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. With the bonus offer on this card, you can earn enough points to redeem $1,250 in rewards because Chase Ultimate Rewards portal can be used to purchase airfare, hotel stays, and car rentals with a point value of 125 cents per point. Additionally, you can transfer your points to Chase airline and hotel partners, earning an average value of 2 cents per point, which makes the bonus worth of around $2,000. Also, points can be redeemed for 1 cent credit on your statement. Now, upon signing up, Chase Ultimate Rewards members earn 5 points on travel purchases, 3 points on dining, and 2 points on any other travel purchases. In addition, you will benefit from the outstanding travel protection from Chase for purchases made with the card, as well as primary car rental insurance. In order to be eligible for the bonus, you should only apply if you had fewer than 5 new credit card inquiries within the last 24 months. Additionally, the offer isn't available if you received a new card member bonus within the last 48 months. Now, all this into account, these perks make Chase Sapphire Preferred Card one of the best credit cards for travel in September 2021. Number 2. United Quest Mileage Plus. Now, the second card in our top credit cards for September 2021 come also from Chase. In a recent offer, Chase introduced the United Quest Mileage Plus card. Now, this one features a huge sign-up bonus of up to 100,000 miles. So guys, after you spend $5,000 in your first 3 months of having an account with United, you will earn 80,000 bonus miles. Then after spending another $10,000 in your first 6 months, you will receive an additional 20,000 bonus miles. So those who fly United often will definitely benefit from the card, as it comes with other valuable perks like getting a $125 flexible travel credit that can actually wipe out the fee and earning up to 3,000 PQPs, which can help you achieve the next status tier. On top of that, you will earn 3 miles per dollar spent on United purchases immediately after earning your $125 annual United purchase credit. The benefits continue at a rate of 2 miles per $1 spent on all other travel, including airfare, trains, local transit, and cruise lines. The 2 points apply also at hotels, car rentals, taxi cabs, resorts, rideshare services, and tolls. The benefit continues with 2 miles per $1 spent on dining, including some delivery services, 2 miles per $1 spent on streaming services, and 1 mile per $1 spent on all other purchases. Now, all these perks combined make the United Quest an awesome airline credit card option for your wallet. Number 3, Marriott Bonvoy Boundless credit card. I definitely like this card. Now, this month they gave cardholders the ability to earn free night certificates as well as extra bonus points on gas, groceries, and restaurant purchases with their card. The certificates may only be redeemed at hotels with 50,000 points or less, according to the terms and conditions of the offer. Now, this earns you an additional 22,500 points over and above your regular card earnings at a 10 times rate of $2,500. Using this offer, you could earn up to 172,500 points from a top-tier hotel, which is a lot of value. With the current offer, you will earn 3 free nights after spending $3,000 on purchases within your first 3 months after opening your account, plus 10 points per $1 spent at the gas stations, restaurants, and grocery stores within your first 6 months. Although this card doesn't offer many luxury perks, it does offer a few decent travel benefits, including Silver Elite status with Marriott and no foreign transaction fees. Also, considering other rewards you'll earn, such as up to 70 times total points for every dollar spent at over 7,000 hotels participating in Marriott Bonvoy, and 2 points on all other purchases, you should definitely consider this card as one of the best in the whole category for the month of September. Capital One Savor Cash Rewards credit card. This credit card could be just the card for you if you enjoy going out on a regular basis. Capital One Savor Cash Rewards offers a whopping 4% cashback rate on dining, streaming, and entertainment spending, along with 3% cashback at grocery stores, plus 1% back on all other purchases. Additionally, it offers one of the largest sign-up bonuses available from a cashback card. You will earn a one-time $300 cash bonus once you spend $3,000 on purchases within 3 months from account opening, so making it easy to earn a large bonus with a reasonable minimum spending requirement within 3 months. A number of top-level dining credit cards offer reward points you can redeem for travel. It might not be a great match for those who don't travel often or who don't intend to use the rewards for it. Now, dining rewards on this card are available in the most versatile form: cash that can be used anywhere, including travel. If you are a frequent traveler who likes to eat and enjoy entertainment, this card may be a great pick. However, it can also be a great choice for those who find adventure in their backyard, making it one of the best cashback credit cards for your wallet. Number 5, Hilton Honors American Express card. Now, the Hilton card has 0 annual fees and offers awesome Hilton perks. In addition to the automatic silver status and maximum ongoing rewards, it also offers a host of other benefits. Now, travelers looking for Hilton perks at no additional cost can benefit from the Hilton Honors American Express card. As an added benefit, you will receive automatic silver status. Now, this will give you a bonus for stays at Hilton hotels. Furthermore, in addition to many ongoing rewards earned on Hilton purchases, the card also awards high ongoing rewards at US restaurants, supermarkets, and gas stations. With the current offer, you will earn 80,000 Hilton Honors bonus points after you spend $1,000 in purchases on the Hilton Honors American Express card in the first 3 months of card membership. Plus, you can earn an additional 50,000 Hilton Honors bonus points after you spend a total of $5,000 in purchases on the card in the first 6 months. Now, unlike other American Express cards with no annual fee, the Hilton Honors American Express card offers excellent benefits, including plentiful points on your regular purchases and the opportunity to earn Hilton Gold Elite status after spending at least $20,000 a year. Now, if you are looking for even more ways of earning with this card, they offer 7 Hilton Honors bonus points for each dollar of eligible purchases charged directly with a hotel or resort within the Hilton portfolio, and 5 Hilton Honors bonus points at US restaurants, supermarkets, and gas stations. Finally, you will earn 3 Hilton bonus points for all other eligible purchases on your card. So it remains an incredible value offering for anyone in search for a no-fee credit card, despite the Hilton points being somehow overstated. The bottom line here, guys, when comparing credit card sign-up bonuses, it is important to know what kind of rewards you will earn. In some cases, you can only redeem rewards for statement credits. In others, you can exchange points for gift cards, merchandise, travel, and more. Depending on the rewards program, you can even turn your points into airline miles or hotel points. In addition to researching rewards programs, to find the right fit, you should also make sure you can meet the card's minimum spending requirement and choose should you pay an annual fee or not. This is also a good time to analyze what your needs are, as it can be a gigantic pain to adjust cards midstream. By selecting the right rewards program in the right package in the beginning, you can save lots of time and headaches and enjoy lots of miles, points, and whatever. The rewards program is just one part of the equation, but it's an important one. Bonuses on cashback credit cards will be pretty straightforward. You sign up for the card, meet the minimum spending requirement within 3 or 6 months, and then get a cash rewards bonus equal to the value of the minimum spend. Well, this is simple enough. The problem comes when you are earning points or miles instead of cashback. Now, some credit cards are straightforward, like I mentioned before, with their points or mile bonuses, but others have all sorts of hidden details that can make your bonus actually less than it appears at first glance. If you want to be sure that you don't end up losing more than the bonus would pay, take a look at each card's terms and conditions before applying. Now, hidden details can be a major problem for those who earn a lot of miles and points if they are unaware of them. There is one area where you will definitely want to do some research. As I mentioned you should know the kind of rewards you are earning. Now, you should consider this especially if you are planning on earning airline miles or hotel points. Most importantly, don't pick a card just because a bank offers a lot of incentives. This can backfire on you, as there are some cards out there which charge higher annual fees, so their customers have to spend more before they start earning rewards. If you want to get the most out of your credit card, you will need to know what your spending patterns are. You don't want to end up paying extra for a credit card that does not fit into your lifestyle, and research is key here. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to let me know in the comments if you got any value from this video. It's 2021, subscribe if you like, hit the notification bell if you aren't already, and I will see you soon.